Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I really love this look. This one is my favorite so far. So if you would like to know how to achieve it, please keep on watching. We're going to start with my eyebrows already done. I'm going to just blend out the concealer, and then I'm going to put some concealer on it to prime my eyelids. Then I'm going to set it using some setting powder. After setting my eyelids, I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to place it at the edge of my eyes to help my eyeshadow have the perfect shape and also help my eyeliner come out really good. Now I'm going to use these two shades of yellow from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to put it as my transition shade and build it up. Then I'm going to take the pink and place it right below the yellow, and I'm going to blend it into the yellow and still show some of the yellow. And then I'm going to build it up gradually so I get this hot pink shade. Then I'm going to take this purple shade right here and I'm going to put it right in the crease and blend it into the pink, and I'm going to build it up so the pigmentation shows a lot. After blending, I'm going to take my concealer and start cutting my crease. And I'm going to cut my crease not only halfway, but I'm going to do 2/3 of the eye. After cutting the crease, I'm going to take some setting powder and set that concealer so my colors come out really pigmented. Now I'm going to blend out the outer edges of the concealer with the purple brush. Now I'm going to take this sparkly blue and I'm going to put it right next to the purple. I'm going to build it up and blend it into the purple so there are no harsh lines. Then I'm going to take these two shades of blue. I'm going to put them right next to the darker blue that I have. And I'm going to build it up and blend it. It's just a repetitive process of building up and blending. Now I'm going to take this yellow and lime green. I'm going to put it right next to the blue. I'm going to again build it up and then blend it into the previous color so that all of our eyeshadow is very blended. Then lastly, I'm going to take this yellow and putting it right in the inner crease. Now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm going to take a clean spoolie brush and brush out all the fallout that I have on my lashes. Then I'm going to do my eyeliner. Now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to take my NYX Studio Perfect Photo 11 primer and I'm going to put that all over my face. Then I'm going to blend it into my skin using my fingers. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 338 and 340. I'm going to mix them and then I'm going to use my foundation brush to spread that evenly all across my face. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 and I'm going to put it only under my eyes, my nose, and my forehead because I'm going to get rid of the makeup on the lower half of my face anyways, so there's no need to really finesse the lower half of my face because it's going to be transformed. After blending all of our concealer, we're going to take the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder to bake our face. So we're just going to bake the under eyes, the nose, and the forehead and leave out under the cheekbones. Now I'm going to take my Black Radiance contour palette and I'm going to contour my face. I'm still going to do that part and I'm going to contour my nose also. And then I'm just going to brush off all of that setting powder. After dusting away all of the setting powder, I'm going to take my Nicka K blush palette and I'm going to take the really pink shade and I'm going to put a generous amount of that on my face because I want it to pop. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold and I'm going to put that all over my cheekbones and make it really bright since the lower half of my face will be dark and white, so I want the upper half to be really poppin'. So yeah, now we're going to start getting rid of the bottom half. So we're going to take the black from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and we're basically just doing zigzag motions on the face, so just making up and down lines like this. It's really easy, very simple, and it's okay if you make a mistake because we're going to go over it later. So after having my layout, I'm going to do the other side now. It's just basically the same thing, just doing up and down zigzags on the face. So I do it from ear to ear. It's not straight, but you can see like it goes from one ear to the other, and you're just, you know, and you could see on my nose I did make a mistake, so I just filled it in and made it higher because the bottom half is going to be white, so it's basically going to erase where it's too black. Now I'm going to take a tissue and take my makeup remover and just remove all of the makeup on the bottom half. Now that all of that makeup is off on the bottom half, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to take the lightest shade in there, and I'm going to just fill in all of the bottom half. Now I'm basically making sure that it's all an even layer of white and nowhere is too white or like not white enough. Then I'm going to take my white setting powder and I'm going to use that to set that cream concealer, and I'm not going to dust it off. I'm just going to pat it in there to make sure it's really set. Now I'm going to take the small brush with the black eyeshadow on it again, and I'm going to go over the line that I previously made, and then I'm going to start blending it all in. Now that all of the black is on my face, I'm going to dust off the black on the brush and I'm going to blend it into the white. So now I'm just basically blending it all in, and I'm putting some black on the edges of my nose to give it a shape because it disappeared under the white. So I'm basically contouring with black eyeshadow, you could say, but it's just to give me back some shape in my nose. And I'm also doing it for my lips. I'm just outlining my lips with the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to do the top part and I'm going to shade it in. So I'm picturing it like a white paper and I'm drawing my lips back on. For some reason while I was recording, the camera just stopped recording, but basically now I'm just putting some yellow on my bottom lash line, and then I'm going to put the blue eyeshadow that I used on the outside of my eyes, and I did put some white concealer down my neck just so it looks like I'm fading away. And now, as usual, at the end of the video, I'm just fixing my eyeliner because while I was highlighting and baking, it went away. And I'm going to put on some more mascara, and I'm going to put some also on my bottom lashes. Now it's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.